What's going on? Welcome back to another episode. We are working on the 64. We're going to be working on my dad's 72 and also the dually in this episode. Got my buddy over here, Timmy, right now. He's going to be helping me out today. We're going to start by just putting some belts on this dually because the other day I went for a test drive and blew the alternator belt off and it is MIA. So hopped over to the O'Reilly, snagged up some new belts here. Let's go see if they're going to work. Take the water pump pulley off of it to even get that belt off because it was out of adjustment. I don't even know how somebody put that thing on there.
You got a wire brush.
Wire brush,
yeah.
Disgusting. Oh no.
I hear that.
That horsefly is lethal.
Get this. Horsefly.
Job one, done. Alright, just did a little oil change on the old dig block here, and we also changed on the fuel filter. Next we're going to go over to the 64. We're going to be putting this like universal throttle cable in here because mine is kind of binding up. Also acquired some new help today, Logan.
That's right.
So what's going on here, it's kind of hard to see because it's dark, but this throttle cable here is loose back here, and basically this thing's hanging up half throttle. So we're going to change her out. So we replaced the low car with the lean car. It's ready to go. Any thoughts, Logan?
Money.
Now we're going to step over here. We've got some overload brackets on this thing, and they've been hitting ever since I lowered this, and I think that's adding to the poor ride quality in the rear here. Timmy's back here jacking away.
There's the hitch.
So we're going to get that thing cut, and then hopefully that'll allow for a little bit more travel because that spring is sitting right on that little overload perch. Because of the lowering shackle on the front, it brings the whole spring perch up from the factory one. So I think it'll allow a little bit more range of motion. So get over here, get the cutoff wheel on it, get her out of our way.
Right, there it is.
Here it comes. Just remember, the cameraman never dies. Looks like this.
How's it going?
Huh?
How's it going?
Logan, I think we need your lift, bud.
Need a little bit better lighting there.
Wait a second.
I didn't know that shit.
What?
It's coming back on me.
Oh no. This ain't good. Plan B. We gotta figure something out.
Alright.
This ain't good. Any luck?
So far.
So far, so good. Ow!
Did it get you?
I got some gloves. Right now. I feel like I'm cutting it in a completely new spot. I can't see nothing. I'm gonna get the big Johnny out, see if I can't bend this thing.
Oh, we can see, yeah.
Oh, that's freaking money, dude.
Is it coming down? There it is. There. It's gone.
She's gone. Here it comes.
Get it.
God God, help us.
Are you all right?
Get out of there. Oh, 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 Lord. Yeah, I'm good.
It's done. Are you gonna get it again?
Oh, yeah. All right, clean her up,
What's smoking?
bud. Huh? Probably that grinder. Cleaner cut than Chinese hibachi. That ain't no good.
A couple pieces came back and hit me.
It was used too much when it was new. Y'all see that coming through the bed?
Oh, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, not through the bed, just the spark.
Just the spark.
Yeah.
Alright. I mean, there's no, like, splitting this coming through the bed.
No.
No.
This video gets so much hate. I'm gonna love it. Good morning. Today we're going to be finishing up the video. We're going over right now, just walking over to Dad's house, getting his 72. Going to be doing some fans and also a fuel tank on that thing, so let's go grab it. Dang horseflies. Kind of nervous to pull this seat out. I've heard something scurrying around this whole time. I don't know if it's a mouse or what it is, but we'll see, I guess. Oh, we got another one in there somewhere. Oh, we got the filler neck over here. Forgot about that. I don't see nothing, so maybe it already scurried out of here. Got the sending unit out of the old tank. The pickup sock, it's a little dirty, nothing too terrible. It's got a bunch of like red rust sediment down in there, and that's why we're kind of changing this thing out. I wish I could get this thing come off here somehow. Maybe it'll just pull off here. Yeah, it don't look too bad down in there, so we're just gonna roll with it. I'm sticking this thing back in here. we can slide this thing back in there now, I guess. Looks like the bolt holes are just a slight bit different, so I have to figure that one out. I don't know. If anything, we can drill one where the old one was, but it looked like most of them lined up, so give it a shot. Alright, just put a little bit of Vaseline around there. Hopefully that'll get us in the hole. Well, we've got some misalignment going on here. If you can look right here on this tank, it does not have the vent either, which Luke's here, by the way, working on the 66. But this one does have it, and this angle here is completely off on the other tank, and it doesn't have the little doohickey here. So got over on AMD's website, which this you can see here on the part number, it is for a 67-72, but if you look right here, this 40-67, I need a 40-70. So that brings me to the dilemma. The dad's tank is obviously really rusty, and we're picking up a ton of rust through the fuel filter, but I don't know if a tank will get here in time, so we might just toss the old one back in for now and then try to find something when we're down there, because it's going to be a $50 oversized charge and everything. So yeah, it's a tough one to swallow since we've already ordered one, but I don't know what we'll do. Probably end up taking this one down to Southeastern Truck Nationals with us and trying to get some kind of money out of it. So I don't know. Maybe we'll just move on to the fans. Alright, we're going to leapfrog over to the front of this thing, and we're going to put on these electric fans. I actually bought these for my 67 over there, but it didn't work out with the front configuration the way I've got it. It has an aftermarket radiator and everything, so we're going to be putting it on Dad's 72. He got this thing caught on fire, if you're not familiar. It caught on fire, and the old fan shroud that was on here just got melted off this thing. So yeah, that's why we're gonna attempt to try to get this electric fan kit working, and I think it'll be really good. This thing doesn't overheat as it is, but a little bit of extra insurance won't hurt nothing. All right, so this kit comes with like these little rubber things here. If I can find out what I did with it now. So it comes with these little foam inserts, and you just put them on here, and then that's what smashes up against there. So take this sticky side off here. We can apply this thing. Alright, we need to apply one on the bottom, then we can bolt this thing up and start wiring it up. Alright, so out here working on Dad's truck still. Man, it has been a week. So I didn't film a lot of this, and I've still got a lot to do, but I've kind of just got the wiring laid out on this thing, and it's really kind of weird. It's got this little temp probe you stab into your radiator, and it's got this little squiggly all the way over to this controller. What that controller does, it's got this little knob, and you can put that on there, and you can basically dial that to where you want it to turn the fans on. I think it's said in here somewhere, it said what it'll do. I don't know, I was reading it somewhere in here, but basically that thing will turn it on from, you can turn the fans on from 25 degrees all the way up to 245. So I don't know, if you like your engine running around 190 or something, you could have it set to come on around 200, and then it would bring it back down. But these fans do rip, I'll have to say that. You'll just have to take my word for it, because it's kind of hard to juggle all these things, because I just got everything kind of stuck in there. So yeah, sorry I didn't film a lot of that, but it's just been really kind of hectic. I'm kind of down to the last minute. I had to work Saturday and all kinds of stuff, so you don't need to hear my excuses. But also draining oil in the 64, doing an oil change, Just gonna nut and bolt that thing. I haven't really been over it too much since Power Tour, so I would like to look over that thing real good, but for the most part, it's pretty dialed. I think the dually's gonna be dialed in, so we should have 3 there. So if you're in the area, stop by. Supposed to have some big banners that'll say Metal Massacre and the logo and all that, so look out for that and look out for the trucks. Hopefully we'll see you there. Thanks for sticking in here. I know this one was kind of all over the place, but it's just how it is the week before truck show. But get out and work on something, and I'll see you Saturday, hopefully.